20 to 30% in just a weekend. Is this possible? Well, we're going to be looking at this specifically in today's video. 1 hour as the time that I'm recording this video. In 1 hour and 21 minutes, the halving will be happening. If you don't know what the halving is and how you can prepare for the halving, check out this video right here in the top right corner. But today's video is not necessarily halving related, but just because we have the halving, we can profit from an upside or a downside movement on Bitcoin. So we're going to be going with our current best strategy that we have here, which is the weekend strategy, selling options that expire on Sunday, and we are Friday night right here. I'm going to show you how much they pay out, how much is the risk for them, and if it makes sense for you to join in these options. So let's get right into it. Hello everybody, welcome back. As you just saw in the intro, we are here on the income products tab on the topics, and these two are the ones that we're going to be covering. We have both options at the same strike, which is $64,000. Right now Bitcoin is at 64,132, so almost at the money for both here, but one is a call spread and one is a put spread. So you can see right here that both have a risk medium, but they have maximum profit. They're a little bit different. Still 26 and 36% respectively throughout the weekend. So a full day, a couple of hours right now, and a couple of hours on Sunday morning. So pretty much 1 day and let's say 1 day and a half to make 36%. That is amazing. The last time we saw that, I opened the position an early morning on a Saturday, and you can see that I made 4% on that. But on this, because we got in early, we're gonna get in early, we're looking at 26 or 36% ROI. So huge movement. Again, which one should you pick? The higher number or the one that has the most probability of profit? So the lower the number, the most POP it is.
Fun coupon! Yeah? A fun coupon!
So the most probability of profit you have that it will go in your favor. So the 25% would be would make more sense because we are already above $64,000 for Bitcoin. But again, we do have also the below 64,000. This is the put spread. So which one to choose? Well, if we look at the charts right here, well, don't mind my indicators. You can choose whatever indicators you're familiar with or you're okay with. But we do see that Bitcoin is on a downtrend right now. Of course, we have this huge green candle on the last day, but overall, Bitcoin has been going down these last few days. So if you use moving averages, if you use Bollinger Bands, whatever you use, do your technical analysis and decide what it will be, what price Bitcoin will be on Sunday morning, which is expiration time for these options. I believe it will be below 64,000, but it could also be above 64,000. I think it will still be in that range because again, volatility throughout the weekend is not that high. So Bitcoin stays inside a range. It doesn't tend to move a lot throughout the weekends. So we're going to profit from this green candle right here and sell a put spread. So we're going to go back here and the 35 is looking pretty juicy. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to do 0.5 and I opened a 0.5. So if we scroll down right here, you see that I opened a 0.5 contract. This is the amount of contracts. So half a contract for Sunday morning at 8 a.m. This is UTC. My maximum profit, so how much I can make out of this is $244, but I can lose $675. So I can make around a third, so 34% of the amount that I deposited. Of course, this max loss situation is the collateral that I just provided. So I lose whatever I used to open this position. But if I profit, I'm going to take this collateral back. I'm going to take this amount that I used to open the position back, plus the profit. So you have to add both of these to know how much is going to go back to my wallet. But let's say, for example, you are bullish. Let's say you believe Bitcoin will stay above this price, which currently it is going down. So now it is at 64,013. Of course, on the graph, it is 15 minutes late. But here on the topics, you see the live number. So let's say you believe that Bitcoin will stay above that. Well, you can go on open position and you can do whatever size it makes sense for you. So for example, right here, we go for 0.2 or 4.1, which is the minimum that we can go, and you open this position. So I'm going to open this position just to show that to you. We wait a little bit, your position is open. So what I did right now is I opened also the above 64,000. So I have a below 64,000 and an above 64,000 for Bitcoin on April 21st, which is in 2 days from now. Right now it is 8 p.m. My time here. So this position will stay open all the way to 8 a.m. On Sunday morning. So you can see right now they have both the same risk reward. So maximum profit and maximum profit for both options are the same, meaning that it is up to you to decide which way the market will go. Of course, this video is not trying to guide you towards any decision if it is going to go up or down. It's just to show you that you can take your chances from both sides. And at this specific situation right here, you can open pretty much a delta neutral strategy. So you can open a strategy that whatever happens, you're going to be net zero. So it doesn't really make sense, but you can see how you can use a delta neutral strategy this way. Even if it goes up or down, you're not going to be losing any money from your portfolio. So you can at least try it out. You can see now it changed again because Bitcoin keeps falling down. So actually currently our below 64,000 is looking very, very promising. So had I opened positions on both sides in the same amount, so 0.5 and 0.5, what I basically would have been doing, not necessarily because here these are spreads, so I would have two spreads creating pretty much something similar to a straddle. So a straddle is a strategy that you use when you don't know if the market's going to go up or down. You just know it's going to move a lot towards one side. So a straddle is designed for you to profit whatever side the market moves. The only thing that needs to happen is for this underlying asset to spike towards one side. So it can go down a lot or it can go up a lot. And this is where you're profited from a straddle. So this right here could be something similar to a straddle. Of course, it is not, because technically on the back end, these are 4 positions that I have. I have 2 legs for one position and 2 legs for another position. And the straddle is usually just 2 legs, but it could be a synthetic version of a straddle. So you can see right now Bitcoin is at 63, so it fell almost 1K throughout our video. And we're seeing live that the numbers for the above 64,000, they just keep getting higher and higher and higher. Of course, this does not reflect on my current open position. So whatever are the numbers that I opened with, these are the numbers that I'm going to get because I already paid to enter the position. I already got into the position. So these are the maximum profit and losses. They are fixed. They're not going to change like the prices that we're seeing updated because I already opened the position. So what are your thoughts on this? I'm going to leave at the end of this video the results for this strategy, if it went on my favor or against me. Of course, it can't go against me because I opened a position on both sides. Of course, the above 64,000 is way less, so my profit won't make up for the losses on the below 64,000. But again, I just wanted to show you that you can take sides according to your strategy. Of course, I'm still bearish. I'm leaning more towards the below 64,000. This is why I opened a bigger sized contract for this one, but I'll be sharing with you. You should be seeing here on the screen if it was favorable or not. So let me know your thoughts, and by the time you're watching this, the halving already happened. So comment down below if you profited from any strategies. It doesn't need to be option. If you were able to profit or monetize the halving as a strategy. So you sold the news, you bought the news, what did you do? Comment down below. Let me know how the halving went for you. So again, thank you so much for watching. I hope this video a little bit shorter than usual, but I hope this video was good. And this is just to showcase the power of weekend options, something that I already covered in other videos here. So if you liked it, scroll down just a tiny bit, like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss when we post the next videos. And also, if you're able to catch this movement. As always, thank you so much. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.